All right, how old do you have to be to join Save Club as a member and an affiliate? Um, 18. 18 years old and 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute past your 18th birthday, you guys come aboard. And I'll tell you what, I'm massively jealous if you are only 18 and you know about this opportunity. Okay, I'm way older than that. I got almost 40 years on you. Okay, you can go to college, city college, trade tech, work at McDonald's, pay your dues, whatever you got to do after high school to get to the career that you want. Okay, do what you got to do. Doctor, lawyer, film star, porn star. There's a lot of cool things to do out there. But boy, I'll tell you what, I am so jealous if you are 18 and you probably have one of these. You got a cell phone. Come on. You probably have the Instagram, the TikTok. You're doing selfie stuff, doing crazy videos. I have friends that jump off roofs, all right, and oh, the makeup videos. I got my friends' grandkids doing those lips, and then they do the makeup stuff. Okay, God, what else? It seems like if you're about 18 to 20, maybe 5 to 30, there's a theme. Okay, and I know you want clicks or views because it feels good. It feels good to me in this old chassis. Okay, but when I get views and clicks, I can turn it into money. Okay, many ways. I've got quite a few online businesses right now. Every single one of them make money, and they require views. Okay, so if I can be interesting or funny or try to have an aspirin for your headache, if you're typing something, what's a good home-based business? Are my keywords, are my words, period, are they interesting enough to where the algorithm of Google Meister, will they give you my video? Or are you just searching? Okay. Kids, I just, and I don't even know if a kid's even going to watch my video. Because my average sign up, I'd say, is 30 to probably 50 to 60. So I got like a 30-year fan base of 30 to 60-year-olds. But only occasionally do people that sign up that are quite young, and I got to guess because I don't really see the age of a lot of the people that sign up in my businesses, but most people do write me, hey, good to meet you, how are you? You ask me questions, I write back. I mean, I'm very social, okay? I like to go back and forth through inbox on Facebook, or if it's an email, okay? Because I give you my information when you sign up. And when you pre-enroll with my Save Club, I send you an email as well. All right, it's all about communication. Okay, everyone's like, how are you successful in not just one business, but a whole bunch? And guys, I'm not kidding you. I have 7 other incomes online. And that's just online. That don't include my incomes on a street level. Okay, it's people join people. I even own that. Type in people join people. You know, that company is my #1 maker of moolah. Okay, but if you're 18 and 1 minute old, you should look into this. It's nice to save money, okay? Usually when you're 18, you're just starting out, okay? Now, if you have a trust fund or maybe on your graduation, grandpa gave you a couple $100,000, okay? But you can spend a couple $100,000 going to Harvard, going to a lot of those Ivy League schools, or you can kind of piss it away, going to like Arizona State, working on your tan and seeing how much beer you can consume by, well, just about every night, okay? And I'm just kidding. There's good, bad, and ugly in just about any educational form. I'm real good at selling information online, okay? Is that a skill? I don't know. But I have used that information to help me get to where I'm at, a person that's only 1 to 2 years into this online thing, where I try not to sound cheesy. I don't want to be salesy. I do not want the image of, okay, it's a cash bonanza. Okay, it's just it's a free-for-all. Make cash 1 to 2 to 3 months and then go on to the next opportunity. Okay, I am not that guy. Okay, I care about my reputation, my real name. Go to CoryDraper.com and you can see my online businesses, every single one of them. And if one doesn't make me money, I just get rid of it. Goodbye. All right, it's easy to replace something that doesn't make money. Okay, it's just like, I don't know, I can equate it to maybe some type of cancer. If something is really just affecting your business or your website, or your mood or your attitude, or it makes you feel bad because you're promoting something and not getting results, all right, that can really bum you out mentally, okay? And then physically, you might be more tired, but you don't want to be depressed, okay? You want to get involved with something that's positive, that really does make a difference. With Save Club, it saves you money. I like that. I'm not trying to sell something with a lot of sugar in it, okay? You can see on my fridge right there, those are Live Good products. They're basically pretty good, but you can see I have the sugar-free coffee, I guess you call it creamer. That orange bottle, I think right there is hazelnut, and the one in back is sugar-free French vanilla. Okay, but I do have some stuff with a little bit of sugar. All right, I ran out of protein powder, so you can see that one right there. That is a little bit of sugar, but it's all based on hopefully making you feel better and not, I don't know, having diabetes, high blood pressure. Okay, so when I did join Live Good, for example, I really believe in the products. I like them a lot. Okay, and with Save Club, which has a similar approach. Okay, the website is similar to Live Good. The pay is a little different. Okay, $60, guys, that's it. You can be an affiliate, and for $19.97 a month, you can save money. All right, I'm not embarrassed to say that. I talked to her name is Alicia. She makes all of our car show hats and shirts. All right, I got one of the Rock and Hot Rod production shirts on. You can see one of our logos here on my little nippies. Woo, look at that. That feels good. Okay, but yeah, I'm going to make Save Club hats and Save Club shirts and make them cool. Maybe get like a cool thing with a little rock and roll dude with a long ponytail like I have with a cool chain with Friday the 13th skull hanging around his neck. But boy, I'm not embarrassed about Save Club, and I think it really does help people save money. So if you're a younger person, all right, and you might not have the ways and means to go to college, or maybe you think, oh, I have to go to college to be successful. You don't. I'm telling you straight up right now. You don't have to go to college and go into debt 10, 20, 50 to 100,000. Now, if your parents or your belief system has convinced you that, yes, I have to do 2 years of general this and then 4 years of that, I graduate with a piece of paper, and then all of a sudden that $50,000 to $100,000 that I probably owe, I'll just pay back with the kick-ass job I'm going to have when I get that piece of paper. It just doesn't work that way. And with education online now, just with YouTube, you can learn some really cool things. Now, whatever you want to be in life, I'm so happy that you are even watching this video. It means you have freedom, fresh air. You probably have a nice place to live, and you probably got a computer or one of these darn things that looks like a Pop-Tart. But be who you want to be. But if you just want to earn money doing something positive, I hope you look into Save Club. There's nothing wrong with Save Club at all. It's a worldwide endeavor. It's new. All right. In about 18 days, it's going to go ready, set, go. We're in the pre-launch phase. But if you're online anyway, and if you're doing TikToks and all these other things on social media just to get views and likes to make you feel good, why not monetize that? And that means make money doing it. Your chance of doing a Kardashian thing or any of the influencers that make those $1 million contracts, if that's your goal, then do it. Do whatever it takes to get to that level. But I'm a realist. I know the chance of being successful online has to do with your own belief systems. Do you think you can do it? And can you post every day and make it fun? Because if you do, you're going to do it. And when you start making money, you're going to freak out. But you're not going to freak out if you don't make $1 million the first couple days or weeks or even a month. But you got to find your lane and stick to it. Get good at one thing. Don't be broad and say, do you want to lose weight? Hey, would you like to make money? Click here. It's just not, that is so broad. Of course, everyone wants to lose weight or make money or be, I don't know, just be the most wealthiest, happiest person on earth. Okay, whatever that definition is in this day and age. Okay, but please look into Save Club, especially if you're a young person. And if you are a mom, dad right now with a teen that's 18 and 1 hour old, have them look into this business for real. Because I know for a fact that if you can post and have fun and you're doing it anyway, in my opinion, you can do this. You can absolutely 100% do this. All right? My old ass. Guys, I'm 40 years older than most of those kids on Instagram and TikTok doing their fart videos. Okay? But if I can say, guys, Can you go to this link and just check this out? You're going to save money on things you're already buying or buying in the future. And if you have $60, three $20 bills, you can be an affiliate and earn money. And if you can just spread information about this cool opportunity by posting a link, well, Cory, what do you mean by that? Well, I love saveclub.com. I do love saveclub.com. I've put a couple grand in my pocket already. I've barely been doing this a couple weeks. All right, and I got people signing up left and right. I should have 100 people signed up probably in the next week or two. You can see every day. Today is, let's see, what is today? Monday the 12th. I've already got one person pre-enrolled, so thank you, whoever is pre-enrolled. It looks like yesterday on Sunday, I had 2 people. Saturday, 2 people. So there's 4 people that signed up over the weekend, and I was busy producing car shows and building some certain things. I had to go put a roof rack on one of my Hummers, and I have things I like to do besides just work, grind. Okay? And I love to work. I am totally not looking to retire. I do love working on vehicles and producing car shows and doing radio shows and just watching good movies. I'm a documentary maniac. I love documentaries and those murder mystery shows like 48, After the 48, Before the 48, Forensic Files, Cold Case Files, Dateline, 2020, 60 Minutes. I love all those shows so much. But I also love screwing off online. And when I can make money, like Save Club, where I just promote a link, okay? And if you join me, I want you to do exactly what I do. Get a business card, get a domain name, forward it to this capture page here, and all people do is watch this video of our founder. All right, his name is Charles Moy. And if you like what you see and hear, then go ahead and fill out this little thing right here. Boom, contact information, hit the orange button. Okay, and that doesn't mean you're going to join yet, but you're going to get a nice email every day for 30 days from Save Club. And I recommend you keep them, especially if you join. You learn a lot from them. Okay? And if you don't want them anymore, hit unsubscribe on the bottom. It's super easy. Or open up the Save Club email, follow it, and get a username and password when you join. Pay $60, $19.97, so $79.97. If you want to join for the year, great. You're a VIP, and you're going to make more commissions when people sign up as annual as well. So I like to make more money, so I signed up for the year, and I don't have to worry about nothing for the next 12 months except making videos like this, writing people back that email me and get a hold of me, because people get a hold of me. I don't just like send out emails unsolicited, okay? I like to send emails to people requesting information from me. All right, that's why I never have any email issues, any spamming issues, junk mail issues. I do everything according to what needs to be done to be effective and legal. Okay? And if you like to email, which I'm sure you do, all right, you don't have to do video like this. All right? It's comforting to know that you can just copy, paste, or write a little email, send it. Okay? And then if you are a younger person, you're probably TikToking, rocking, Instagramming. All right? Are you jamming to the Facebook? I sure am. Okay? But anyway, guys, thank you for your time. All right. And if you are a younger person, I am massively jealous of your youth. I wish I could just suck all that good old energy from you, and you can have mine. Okay, here. Man, to get 40 years back, I couldn't even imagine. But please don't waste your life. Don't pursue things that are kind of dumb, that are just going to make you depressed or broke. All right. And I'm just telling you, as honest as I can, guys. I think you can do this. I think you'll be successful if you make it fun and just make content every day. Search around for ideas. Watch my channels. I never run out of ideas. All right? I could do 50 videos a day. If I could do this all day and didn't have any other jobs or interests or hobbies, guys, I could make 50 videos a day and make them all different. Okay? So don't think you're going to run out of ideas. Not if you join my team. All right? I want you to join our Facebook groups. We are making video and pictures for you to use for free because we know most people don't know how to make a video. I'm not a graphics guy. I can do a video like this. I can do the world's worst thumbnails. Look at my YouTube channel. My thumbnails, I just print with some bright coloring and that's it, but they work. Okay? Every day someone who makes thumbnails gets a hold of me. Can I make your thumbnails? No, because you want money. And I bust my ass to make money. So I'm not giving it to someone to make thumbnails when I kind of know how to do it myself. Okay? But it makes me different. Anyway, I want you to look into this opportunity. I love saveclub.com. Go there right now. Just put in your information. Watch the video. Get with me if you need something. Cory at corydraper.com. Let me just show you my information one more time. Sometimes it's easier just to look at your screen. Cory at corydraper.com. Email me anytime. Find me on Facebook and inbox me there too. As long as I can type you back and go way fast. All right? Okay, that's it. I'm done. My 15 minutes is up. I'm going to go get me a little bit of coffee because this is my first video of the day. So, guys, thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you kick some ass today. And let's have some fun, and you join Save Club. Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.